Hi, Super Prof Guitarists. How are you? I'm Gabe. I've been teaching guitar for over 30 years, working with students from complete beginners to advanced players who want structured, disciplined improvement. My guitar lessons focus on strong technical foundations, picking control, fretting accuracy, rhythm precision, chord fluency, and musical phrasing. Very important. We build skills step by step so you develop clean technique and real confidence in your playing. Whether you're learning fundamentals, refining lead work, strengthening rhythm playing, or preparing for a performance, each lesson follows a clear plan tailored to your goals with where you are at right now in the here and now. If you're serious about building strong, reliable guitar technique, I'd be more than happy to work with you. Have a great day.